Hello guys, I'm Shlok and you're watching Tech Burner. The Nougat Soak test was released some time back for Motorola G4 Plus and the official update is rolling out right now as I'm making this video. The update rolls out first in some countries, then it comes for other countries. So in this video I will tell you how you can manually flash the OTA on your device if your device doesn't have the update yet. In this video I will show you how to do this for the Nougat Soak test update, but as soon as the link comes out for the official update, I will add it in the description below, and this will work perfectly for the official update also. So first things first, you will have to download the OTA file. I'll have all the links in the description down below so you can download from there, and then you have to copy that to your internal SD card. After you have done that, you need to disconnect your phone from your computer and then power it off. So after you have powered off your phone, you will need to open it in bootloader mode. To open your phone in bootloader mode, you'll have to press the power button and the volume down button and hold them for 3 seconds. You'll be presented with this kind of interface. You have to browse through the options using the volume keys, and you can select the option using the power key. So I will select recovery and then press the power button once. When you select recovery and then open it, it will show you something like this. To actually open your phone in recovery mode, you have to hold the power button for around 2 seconds and then tap on the volume up key. Once you do that, you will be in the recovery mode. Here also you have to browse through the menu using the volume keys, volume down to go down and up to go up, and you have to select the option by using the power key. So I'll just go down and select apply update from SD card. SD card is actually the internal memory, and I'll select that with the power key. It will show you all the files that are there in your internal memory. You have to select the update file and press the power button once again. As soon as you press the power button, the update will start, and this update will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. And after the update is finished, you just have to select the reboot system now button, and then your phone will reboot into Nougat. So guys, press the thumbs up button if this video helped you to get Nougat on your devices. And if you want to see Nougat compared to Marshmallow on the Moto G4 Plus, you can check out my previous videos also.